Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a fluffy slime. I'm going to probably make a fluffy slime and choose out of these 4 colors: yellow, green, red, or blue. I might choose a nice color, but first I'm going to show y'all something that I made. This is the one that I showed you on my last video. I forgot what it's called, the iceberg. And I put glitter on top, and watch. Like, it's a nice one. Let's take it out real quick. Let's see. Mix it all. That's what it looks like. It has glitter, and I think it has some sequins. But that's it for that. That's cool. But let's start making our fluffy slime. So first, I'm gonna put in our white glue, a little bit of the white glue, and now I'm going to put some clear glue to make it like thick or thin. I forgot which one it made it, but here. And then we're gonna mix it up with our spoon. That looks so cool. Like, let me see. Like, look. Like, just by mixing it, that looks pretty cool. Let's drop back. Okay. It's like a marble white clear, or like that stuff that floats or something. Let's just mix this in, and I think that's good. Now we're gonna add our shaving cream. This one's almost out. Okay, let's try to add as much as we can. I got it brown. I got it. So hard. This looks like shaving cream. What shaving cream does to like the slime, it's like it makes it fluffy and it makes it bigger, and it makes it just like the one I made. So you're just gonna keep on adding it until you want it to like that's the like feeling, the way you feel about it. If that's the way you feel good about it. Okay, I think that's good. Let's mix this up. This reminds me of milk mixed with cream.
Oh man, you scared me.
And this is actually looks like a nice one. It's nice and fluffy. Now we can add our glitters. I have
walking into the restroom and it was dark and Annie ran out, but she's like slipped out. She ran out so fast and she's screaming.
This is a pink one, a gold, and like white with different colors like that. So I'm gonna add this kind. Just a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Now this looks like snow. It looks so nice. Just mix it until it's completely mixed. It's very weird. Like, if I pick it up, like, hear this. You can hear it slam on, like, the bowl. I'm thinking of adding, let's add a little bit of the pink one. Not too much. Okay, now I'm gonna make, oh wait, I'm gonna make a color one. Did I miss one? Okay. I'm gonna make this one a yellow one. It looks orange. We're just gonna add a few drops first because you don't know what it would do, like if it's strong. You can probably add like 3 or 2 or 1, as much as you want. If you know how much it would like color it. And also whenever I'm done making the slime, I'm just gonna let this, I'm gonna play with it for a little bit. But I'm just gonna like, I want it to be light yellow like this. You can barely see it, but it's yellow. Oh my gosh. No. Okay, I'm glad that did not spill. Well, let's just add our activator first because I already got it on me. Like, I'm just gonna go in with my hands. I'm gonna put this. Just put it. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it on the glue lid, like, and it went on the table. Okay, it didn't go on the table. It went on the sequence. I'm so gonna need more. I still had pre-made borax because I don't want to waste my borax. Okay, so I think it's time to go in with both of my both. What if I need more? I should have thought of that, but it's fine. You just mix it till it's the right consistency and it does not stick to the bowl or your hands. I'm trying to get it all off me before I can like put some borax on my hand. Perfect. Okay. any more blocks. I want to get it with my mouth because there's a spoon in there. Let's try. I can't do it right. Okay. Okay. Like it's yellowish, kind of. But everything I dripped some of this. This comes off so easy. Like, even though it's just made, it still comes off easy. I'm trying to make it like come off of me, but this is it, guys. It's nice. It just has like glitter. I got the shaving cream in here, but in one of my videos, I might be doing on my probably video, my next video, and then after that video, I might do a mini slime smoothie. But this is a nice one. It's yellow with glitter, and it's fun. So I'm gonna show y'all. Like, I'm just gonna show y'all, not like getting it out. Just gonna leave it there. This is a slime that I made today, and we're gonna be selling these slimes on OfferUp. This is called, well, it has glitter in it. So it's called Birthday Party. I got Pink Flamingo for $1.50. This one's $3. This one's just called Marshmallow Fluff. This one is $1. This one's $1. It's called Grape. This is Unicorn, $1. Wait, yeah, $1. Mermaid, $1. And Green Apple, $1. Last but not least, Pink Cotton Candy, $1. And oh wait, this is a purple, dark purple. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be selling this one, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. What's your favorite kind of glitter? Bye.